Scorpio. Your curiosity is well known, dear Scorpio, and in 2014 you'll have many opportunities to satisfy it. Much pleasure through higher learning, connecting with people far away, and a broader scope of experiences is in your stars this year. Many of you will travel, and most will enjoy new and exciting adventures. For writers and artists, this is a year in which you're likely to get published or expand your audience. A close partner is more outgoing and adventurous. For those hoping to meet a significant other, your best bet this year is while traveling, at school, or while taking a break from the routine. Strong periods for meeting someone special are towards the end of February, mid-March, and in the last 2 weeks of April. Romantically speaking, this year is more serious than last, but mid-July through August is exciting and spontaneous for love. Your professional life continues to be surprising and exposes you to new people and ideas. The important thing to remember is that you are listening more to your ego than your heart during this stage, and if you go to an extreme, you could be leaving behind things or people who mean more to you than you may know. A positive attitude keeps things fresh. Jupiter, the planet of expansion and goodwill, is gracing your solar ninth house all year. Jupiter is building your faith and your belief system. You are likely to find much joy in so doing. Your higher mind is expanding. You might be considering furthering your education or simply broadening your knowledge in a more informal manner. Outdoor activities appeal more than ever. An opportunity to travel somewhere exotic could drop into your lap. You have a greater desire to get away, expand your horizons, and broaden your life experiences. This influence often correlates with a time when you're more able to get away from the daily routine. Your ideals are higher than usual. Teaching may be a part of the picture, and your cultural and spiritual awareness increases. Others notice your more tolerant and broad-minded nature. Confidence is the key. Faith in the universe and in your ability to do the right thing instinctually will get you everywhere now. Believe.
Are you looking for a better year? Will it be better? Will you do better in love, career, or finances? There's only one way to find out. Call our trusted and accurate psychics now. So make the most the year has in store. The clock is ticking. Phone 1-800-498-8777 or online at www.absolutelypsychic.com.